Welcome back to the channel. See our new model where horsepower meets heritage, and today, we're witnessing a legend reborn. This is the 2026 Honda NSX, not just a supercar, but a symbol of innovation, precision, and Japanese performance engineering. Sharper, faster, and more electrifying than ever, the new NSX is here to shake up the game. Let's dive in. From the first glance, the 2026 NSX demands respect. The aggressive new front fascia is sharper and more angular, flanked by ultra-thin LED matrix headlights that cut through the night. Active aero elements are seamlessly integrated into the design, from the dynamic rear diffuser to the adaptive front splitter. Honda's brought more carbon fiber to the party, with a lightweight roof, aero mirrors, and vented rear fenders that hint at this car's serious track DNA. It's not just design, it's performance art. Inside the NSX, you're not just sitting, you're strapped into the future. The 2026 model embraces a clean, fighter jet-inspired cockpit. Dual digital displays wrap around the driver, with a central interface powered by Honda's latest AI-infused infotainment system. Premium Alcantara and leather line the seats and dash. The steering wheel, race car inspired. And don't miss the NSX-specific drive mode selector, letting you flip from daily driver to track weapon in seconds. Let's get to the heart of the beast. The 2026 NSX drops jaws with a twin-turbocharged 3.5-liter V6, now paired with an even more powerful dual-electric motor system. Combined output: a staggering 650 horsepower. With torque vectoring AWD, a new 10-speed dual-clutch transmission, and lightweight construction, this NSX rockets from 0 to 60 in just 2.8 seconds. It's not just about speed, it's about control, agility, and confidence at every corner. The 2026 Honda NSX isn't chasing the supercar path, it's carving its own path. With hybrid tech, razor-sharp handling, and everyday usability, it's a future-forward machine wrapped in legacy. Would you take this over a McLaren Artura or Porsche 911 Turbo S? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and smash that notification bell, because the next generation of performance is just getting started. Thank you for watching, see you in the next video.